What's up, guys? This is going to be a video tutorial on how to make transactions/trades using the Fidelity brokerage. So this video is going to focus on how to make trades specifically using the website desktop version and the Fidelity app. If you are looking for a full Fidelity overview, either the desktop website version or the Fidelity app or Fidelity Active Trader Pro, I have separate videos for those. I'll put them in the description below. Now, trading overall using Fidelity is very easy, but there are some tricky aspects to using this particular service. First, we're going to start off with the website. How to make a trade using Fidelity's website. There's a couple different trading options that are located in the top left corner once you're logged into your Fidelity account. What exactly is tradable using Fidelity? So Fidelity offers the ability to trade stocks/EFTs, options trading. Of course, you need to apply and be eligible for that. You can trade mutual funds using Fidelity. You can also apply and sign up for a crypto account to trade all sorts of cryptocurrency. Fixed income, trade armor, and basket trades. So those are the specific tradable financial services with Fidelity. Now, some of these trade options are complex and require much more research. The basic account will allow stock, EFTs, mutual funds, and trade armor without any specific applications or additional fees. So the specific subtitles you're going to look at to trade is right here in the top left, accounts and trade, and the trade sub-tab below. There are different formats depending on what you click. So we're going to first start with accounts and trade. The website will default to the expanded ticket, which gives you more order type option. All right, so now we're going to review how to make a trade using the expanded ticket. So you simply go to the top left and you choose what you're trading, so either stock, EFT, or mutual fund, etc. Then the next thing we're going to do is type in the stock ticker symbol. So for this example, we'll use Apple. As you can see, you get a nice snapshot of the stock. Then what you do, and you select the action, so you can either buy or sell. So for this example, we'll do buy. So Fidelity, you can enter the share quantity you want right here. Or if you want to do fractional shares, like let's say you don't have quite enough money in your account for a full share, you could hit this calculator button right here. So with the calculator button, you can actually put in a dollar amount that you have, and it will tell you what share quantity you'll have. You can apply that if you want to buy fractional shares, and then you select the order type, either market or limit for purchasing, and then you hit preview order and you submit your order. So the expanded ticket is good for selling shares, specifically if you're using stop losses or the trailing stop losses. All right, so there are a couple different order types that you can choose from using the Fidelity service. So the first thing is a market order. So that will align the current bid and the closest ask price immediately. A limit order is where you choose the exact price to fill the order. A stop loss is a price you can set that will automatically sell your shares if the stock reaches that price or below. Fidelity also offers trailing stop losses. So trailing stop losses is a market order that sets a stop loss at a specific point. So it could either be a percentage or a dollar amount below what the stock's current market price is. So those are the basic order types that Fidelity offers. So going back to making a trade using the website, if you go to the bottom and click the link Simplified Ticket, you can go back and forth between the expanded ticket and the simplified ticket. So there are a couple different features with both of those. So the simplified ticket is just more limited. It has less order types. So basically it's buy, sell, shares, dollar. You can do market or limit, and you can choose day, or you can cancel it when you want. So overall, the simplified ticket option is more for a quick buy or a quick sell, not worried about stop losses. It also gives you the current market price. And here's a little trick. You can click the refresh button for updated prices. All right, so if you go back to the homepage and you click the sub-tab trade, this is another option and a way to trade using the website. So this will pull up a separate trading window. Instead of a full screen like the other one we just went over, this is a little sidebar window. Now, one of the limits of this format is it doesn't give you as much stock statistics, the fundamentals, or technicals as the full screen one we just saw, but it's rather for a quicker trade option after your research or due diligence. So it still has the bid and the ask and the volume. Once again, this might default to either the expanded or simplified ticket. So again, if you're looking for stop losses or trailing stop losses, you got to make sure you're on the expanded ticket. That's one of the quirks about Fidelity, both with the website and the app. All right, now we're going to check out how to make a trade using the Fidelity app. One quick thing to note, you can actually toggle between the classic old school version or the new modern version of the app. Simply go to the top right, click your account, and you can just click that button to go between the classic experience or the new version. So when you're logged into the Fidelity app, simply hit the middle transact $ symbol at the bottom of the menu. Next, you're going to hit the top left trade button. Next, type in your desired stock ticker symbol. One benefit of the app is the stock fundamentals and technicals are more robust and easy to scroll through. So using the simplified version, very similar to the website version, you have your basic options. You can sell both in shares or dollar amounts. The top right is where you're going to either choose market order or limit order. One thing to note, it's kind of tricky with the app to find how to trade dollar or fractional shares. So what you have to do is click the little arrows and click the dollar thing right in the middle, and that will go back and forth between selling whole shares or selling fractional shares. Upon clicking continue, you can choose day or good till cancel. What day means is at the end of market close, if your order was not filled, it would be canceled. After you choose day or good till canceled, you can review and submit your trade order. You can check your order status by clicking activity and status and then orders. Now selling is the exact same, but you do have the option to sell tax lots using the simplified ticket. Now, one of the negatives of the Fidelity apps is when you're selling and you want to use a stop loss order or a trailing stop loss order, you actually have to go to the classic version in order to do this. So that's a negative quirk they need to figure out. So if you go to the classic version, this is where you're going to be able to sell using stop losses or trailing stop losses. Also, the classic version is just a little simpler and it's a little easier to make trades, in my opinion. So I still use the classic version most of the time. All right, so I hope this video helped give you some insight on how to make a trade using Fidelity in both the website and the Fidelity app. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.